Okay, so I've been told what I do could be of great interest to some people. And lots of friends, close friends, and most importantly, my brother, who is the owner of this car, have really been pushing me to give the YouTube thing a shot and show what we do. And this is some of the stuff that we work on here. I work on here. This is a '69 Cutlass S W-31 coupe, one of 569 made. Very, very highly optioned. It might be the most optioned '69 W-31. It has everything. Obviously, it will not have air conditioning and it will not have power brakes, but it's got everything else. It's got bucket seats, power driver's seat, tilt column. It's a 4-speed with a 342. It's got wood grain dash. It's got power antenna. It's got impact strip on the back bumper. It's got a vacuum operated trunk release. It's got the rally gauges. It's got the sport steering wheel. Super Stock 2 rallies. It is numbers matching. It is a documented car. It is purchased from the original owner. The original owner ordered this car while stationed overseas during Vietnam. He was a United States Navy SEAL. And as the story goes, he ordered this car with every option he could get from the local dealership in Camden, New York, where he was from. It was shipped to Long Beach, California, and then shipped to the Philippines, where he was stationed. And that's where he took delivery of this car. And he drove it all over the world until his discharge, where he brought it back to California, drove it back to New York, and then ultimately retired and took it to Georgia, which is where my brother lives. And my brother found this car, and kind of what he's always wanted as my first car, which I still own, is a '69 F85 W-31 4-speed. Purchased the car in 1988, the year my younger brother was born. So he's only known life with a W-31 4-speed. Now he has one of his own. So what we do is we save things like this that are significant, that are historically significant, that have a story. And this is one of them, very much so. So if this is the kind of stuff that you want to look at, that you want to hear about, that you want to hear me ramble on about, you want to hear me curse about, maybe we'll give this a shot. Maybe we'll post some stuff. I just finished a project for my daughter, a '69 Cutlass convertible for her high school graduation. And that took me 3 years. It's not what I do daily. I have another business that I run that has nothing to do with cars. But this is what I do nights and weekends because I love it. So maybe we'll get well received, and maybe this is the new norm. But in any case, take a look, leave a comment, and with your encouragement, with your interest, we'll do more, and we'll take it from there. Okay? Appreciate your time. Take care.